Hello friends, how are you? I am Dr. Professor S.D. Jitendra, the founder and CEO of GDS International Management College, Mumbai. I am a motivational speaker as well as management consultant. Just now I said in my part 1 of prospective management, I am going to continue with my part 2. In the first part, I discuss about knowledge, I discuss about the information, I discuss about the developing skills, and I discuss about the resources. Now I'm going to discuss about the forecasting. It means you must know what is going to happen in the future. What is the vision? How you are going to achieve that particular goal. I always tell your ability to see the future where other cannot see. That is nothing but the vision, and that is nothing but the future. That is nothing but the forecasting, where you are able to see the future of with your present activity. So forecasting is one of the important aspects in the perspectives of the management. And second, I'm going to discuss is premises. Now, when you talk about the premises, many times we see about the location. I always tell, if I want to start my pharmaceutical company, so I will say like Mumbai is one of the best place to start your pharma industry. Ahmedabad is another best place to start your pharma industry, and Chennai and Hyderabad is the most and the best place to start pharmaceutical industry. If somebody asks me, Jitendra, would you like to start your IT industry in Mumbai? My answer will be no. The reason is, in the perspectives of the management, we have to always tell which is the market, why this market is very established, what sorts of talent, whether I'm having the talented people in that premises or not. So whether the market or whether the place or whether the location or whether the premises is economical is not an issue, but the resources should be available in that premises. That should be your motto, and then only your management perspectives could be a successful aspects. Now, after doing well in your management, there are certain CSR, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं corporate social responsibility, is another biggest aspect of your industry or of your management. It has been said that whatever you earn, you should give back to society. A moment you think about the Bill Gates, a moment you think about the Mr. Narayan Murthy, a moment you think about the Wipro chairman, Mr. Premji, and moment you think about Ratan Tata. These are the people, they literally understand the meaning of social responsibility. They feel that country, my nation, my people, they have given me too much. Now it is my responsibility to return. And imagine when we think about the Mr. Bill Gates, where he has contributed his 83% of his wealth to his nation, and not only his nation, but other nation also. It's a big thing. Generally what happens? People give back to their own people, own caste, own community, own religion, and own country. But exceptionally, Mr. Bill Gates has donated his entire property of almost 83% to not only his own country, but other underdeveloped countries. So, social responsibility is one of the biggest aspects. Then I'm going to talk about ethics. Ethics is that whatever the practice you are doing, you should find certain rules and regulation is this. जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारा जमीर, हमारा कॉन्शियस हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, whether you are doing right thing or whether you are doing wrong thing. I always give an example. Whether somebody is watching you or not, whether somebody is observing you or not, you perform your 100%. It is also your ethical way of practicing in your organizations. So friends, when you talk about the management perspectives or perspectives of the management, we have to think about the very important point which we say is ethics. And the last point which I'm going to discuss is time. It has been said that everybody is having the equal time. Mr. Murthy is also having the same time, and Mr. Ratan Tata is also with the same time, and Mr. Bill Gates also is having the same time, and myself and yourself also having the same time. But generally, while thinking of these aspects, our first philosophy goes, first thoughts goes, wherever time goes. Generally, we spend a lot of time on thinking. We spend a lot of time on procrastination. We always think about the future which has not taken place yet, but still we spend a lot of time. So I suggest you in management prospects or in the perspective management. To make your organization, your management successful, you have to give a lot of thoughts to your saving of your management. Saving of your time. Because time is money. Those who save the time, it means directly and indirectly they are saving money. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. And my last statement, please feel free to communicate your views, your suggestion, your thoughts. I have chosen this perspective management because I want to make you very much comfortable in the organizations. So my part 3 is coming very soon. Thank you very much. All the best.